I'm excited to show you the Middleton Cardinal Yearbook for 2018-19 school year. This one is particularly close to my heart because it's a project that we work on with the students from the beginning of the school year to the end. They do all of the design work in InDesign, and they do amazing things. They work with us as part of their service learning program to understand print and paper and finishes and coatings. This year they did some really exciting things. This is close to my heart because not only have I worked on the project before, but I also graduated from Middleton High School. I don't know if any of your yearbooks looked like this, but they use techniques like dispersion to get the glossy and dull effect. They come to Suttle-Straus and they have a tour of our facility and learn about how to approve proofs, how to check color, and it's just a very exciting time of the year when it's yearbook time. That is your 30-second innovation. I'm Karen Wenning. Be well.